As the countdown to the tax deadline begins, a quiet financial opportunity is emerging across the United States, and it could mean thousands of dollars in extra refund for those who know where to look. Welcome to Times XP's Indian Diaspora with me, Kriti Athri, and with April 15 approaching really fast, many taxpayers are rushing to the file. But not everybody realizes that this year's tax season, it may be very different. Because ladies and gentlemen, this time the refund numbers, they are bigger than you can ever imagine. Rather, much bigger. At the center of this development is the Internal Revenue Service, which has rolled out updated provisions for this filing season. Backed by policy changes introduced during the administration of Donald Trump, officials are pointing to what could be one of the most rewarding tax seasons in recent years. But wait, there's a catch. Not everybody will get this money automatically. You have to claim it. So the question is, where is this extra money coming from? It comes from combining two major benefits: credit that many people either overlook or don't fully understand. First, the adoption tax credit, and second, the child tax credit. When used together, then these could push total refunds up to $6,700 or even more for some households. So let me break it down very simply for you. The adoption tax credit is designed for families who have adopted a child. It helps cover real costs, legal fee, court expenses, travel and other related charges. Well, for this year, eligible expenses can go up to significant cap. And importantly, a portion of this credit, up to $5,000, is now refundable. So that basically means even if you don't owe the taxes, you could still receive money back. Now add the child tax credit to the picture. The benefit provides up to $2,200 per child, with refundable portion, by the way, known as additional child tax credit, referring up to $1,700 per child depending on your income and your eligibility. But again, there are conditions to this. Well, you must have a minimum level of earned income. You must meet eligibility criteria, and most importantly, you must claim it correctly. Because you know what, here's the reality. Thousands of people, they qualify for these benefits every single year, but many never receive them. Well, that's not because they are ineligible, but because they don't file properly or they miss the key details. Income also plays a role. These credits, they are fully available only up to certain income level, after which they begin to reduce. So understanding where you stand financially, it's very important before expecting the full benefit. Now let's take a step back and look at a bigger picture here. At a time when living costs, they are rising, when families are under financial pressure, and when every single dollar matters, these tax credits, they can offer real relief. But only if you acted, only if you file correctly, only if you don't leave money on the table. So as deadline gets closer, the real question is not whether these benefits really exist or not. The real question is, are you claiming what you have entitled to? Because in this tax season, missing a detail, it could mean missing thousands of dollars.